Okay, today's February 11th, and we have a big day because Henry is walking. And we're hopeful that he'll do it here. There you go, buddy. Good job. Henry.
Come here. You want to just stand
Come
on
to
your
mommy,
own?
Henry.
You want to just stand
Henry,
on your own?
yay for Henry. Whoa, come to mommy.
You want to go over there?
Henry, can you come
Over
to
there?
mommy? Whoa.
You're okay. Go over there.
Come here. Can you come here? Oh, there's something to hold on to there. Here, let me go over here. Here we go. Come on, bud. Yay, Henry, look up. Look up, bud.
All right. Whoa,
Woo!
that's okay.
Can you stand up again? See if he'll stand up on his own. Oh, no. Can you say, yay for Henry? Clap, clap, clap. Oh, he's getting close. Henry. Jeez. Henry. Are you happy?